we're going to be testing a tool out today, and the condition was that it had a lamp bank out. So if you have a lamp bank out, more than likely it's one of these cards that sit on top of the SCRs or the SCR itself that control the lamps. So these 3 circuit boards on top control each bank. In the rear you have the lower levels controlled, followed to the left by upper rear, and then upper front towards the front of the tool. So we're going to go test those out and show you how we did it. Jump into manual mode in your software and you'll see 3 white boxes that have percentage levels. The top percentage is the upper front, then followed by the upper rear, and then finally the lower level power. So in order to test to make sure they're all running, technically you could just hit start communication, begin testing, and then look at the LEDs on all of them, but I'm going to show you how to individually test them. So zero out the upper front or the upper rear or any 2, then go hit start communication, begin testing, ramp up, and you'll see the lamps come on. Lamps are on. Okay, now there's an LED on that rear right there that lights up. That's how you know they're in order. So you're communicating with the right one. That is the lower lamps. Then move on to the upper rear. 100%. Ramp it up again. Now the middle LED will be on. Finally followed by the upper front. Yep. There you go. There's a close-up shot. One last one. Zero out the upper rear. Upper front 100%. Begin communication. There we go. And it's on. So that verifies that all 3 work. Now let's go and dial them all back to 100%. 100. And all 3 of them are on. And that's it. All 3 lamps are working.